Welcome to day 3 of healing your nervous system. We're going to be doing a simple breathwork technique for the next 5 minutes. What I invite you to do is to sit in a comfortable seated posture or lie down in a shavasana on your bed or on the floor on a yoga mat. Make sure your neck is supported. And slowly start to breathe in through your nostrils. Fill up your belly, lungs, and chest. And exhale from your mouth, releasing the shoulders, the spine, relaxing the hips. And using the same rhythm and repetition of breathing in through the nostrils and breathing out from the mouth. With every inhale, filling up that belly. With every exhale, releasing from the belly. Breathing in and breathing out. Allowing an awareness of whatever sensations exist and just being with them. Breathing in and breathing out. In and out. Breathing in full into the belly and exhaling just enough to breathe back in. Continue with the rhythm and follow the dance the breath takes. Taking your time, pacing yourself. Taking your time, pacing yourself. Slow it down when you're ready. Take a pause here just to feel that lightness, the tingling, traveling throughout your whole body, especially in your third eye, in your cheekbones, your jaw, just extremely relaxed, your neck feeling lighter than before, your spine straighter, your hips feeling a release, your heart opening up. Become aware of how you're feeling and take a moment here to offer gratitude, taking a long deep breath in and exhaling from the mouth, offering gratitude for being alive, for existing, for being your own special person, for loving yourself enough to be here, to do the work, to know what you need and what you can give yourself. I'm proud of you. Continue doing the practice. Take a few more moments to be here with yourself, to be in the discomfort if there's any, to be in the lightness if you're feeling it, and sitting in that gratitude of knowing that it only takes 5 minutes, that only takes a couple of minutes to come to your truest and purest essence. Use this practice whenever you need to. I'm proud of you, and I'm sending you so much love.